Hello everyone. Today we'll be showing you how to steam oat milk and specifically how to steam minor figures oat milk. This is the one that we use in our coffee shop right now and we really like it, so let's get to it. So we'll start by filling our pitcher up with 8 ounces of oat milk, and 8 ounces is going to be up until the spout begins, so that line right there. And when it comes to steaming the oat milk, it's going to be pretty similar to whole milk. Out of all the alternative milks, oat milk tends to have the highest fat content, so you'll still get that nice microfoam. And when you're just beginning to steam the oat milk, make sure the wand is just barely submerged. This will incorporate the air into the milk so that you get that nice velvety and silky texture. Once the milk just begins to feel warm, submerge that wand deeper into the milk, but you still want to make sure you have a nice circular motion going on. You'll know your oat milk is ready once it's too warm to the touch. So once you can no longer touch the pitcher, turn it off. This will give you about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your wand is purged and it's cleaned, I would recommend tapping the milk on the counter a couple times and then twirl it around. And with oat milk specifically, it's best if it sits for about 30 seconds. So I'll steam the milk, pull the shots, and then pour the milk into the espresso. And then I'll usually tap it one more time to get rid of any bigger air bubbles and twirl it around to incorporate the microfoam, and then it is ready to pour. And typically you can get pretty good latte art with oat milk. In this video, not so much, but go ahead and give it a try, and that's basically it. If you have any questions, let us know. I'll also leave a link down below on how to pull espresso shots.